from WMAR-2 News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
High pressure will be far to the south of us tomorrow, but it's going to be close enough to keep us with lots of sunshine in the forecast. But we are going to be tracking a front that's going to be sliding through the area, and that front will bring some cooler temperatures as we head into your Wednesday. Now, the good news here, not a lot of moisture there, but the winds will kick up a little bit. So we're going to keep winds as a part of the forecast. Not only did we see them today, but we're going to see them tomorrow. And actually on Wednesday, they're going to kind of be at their peak and then still lingering through Thursday and Friday. And then we're seeing some colder air start to filter in just in time for the weekend, but the rain chances looks to hold off until the beginning of next week. Looks like we're going to need the umbrellas for Monday when we head back to work. But let's get you through the next 24 hours where we're going to be tracking this slowly approaching cold front. Notice most of the moisture gets hung up on the west side of the mountains, expecting some clouds to build in. A good mix of sun and clouds, maybe some high cirrus during the afternoon, but it's not going to be enough to obscure our view of the sun. We're going to see westerly flow, and that westerly flow over the mountains typically is a warming flow for us. So we'll see the numbers get a little bit warmer than they got today. That front slides through late tomorrow evening, and as we head into your Wednesday, it's going to be setting us up for some pretty chilly numbers, especially when we factor in the wind chills. Breaking down your morning hour by hour here, temperatures hanging out in the low 30s through 8 o'clock. We're at 36 degrees by the time you're at work. And then if you're looking to grab a bite to eat here, not a bad afternoon to maybe go out for something hot, some nice soup. 43 degrees by the 12 o'clock hour. Good mix of sun and clouds through the day. That westerly flow gets us to 48 degrees. That's about 7 degrees above average. Breezy winds, talking about gusting near 20 miles per hour. So not as elevated as what we saw today and not as elevated as what we're expecting for your Wednesday. Taking a look in time for Wednesday, we'll see a little bit of moisture early Wednesday morning. I can't rule out a stray flurry. That moisture has been pretty consistent, but not overwhelming, so everybody's not going to see it. And then we're looking pretty dry, sunny as we head through the rest of the day. Really going to be hard-pressed to find a cloud until we get to Wednesday night, where we'll start to see clouds building in ahead of our next system here. But hour-by-hour breakdown has the numbers struggling to get to the 40s on Wednesday. And these are real temperatures. Whenever you factor in those winds that are going to be gusting near 30 miles per hour, we're talking about wind chills that are going to have a hard time getting out of the upper 20s for most of the day. It is going to be a chilly day indeed. As we head towards Thursday, a little bit better here. Temperatures climb into the mid 40s, so that's about 4 degrees above seasonal average, and that's where we're going to hang out through Friday. Still warm numbers, winds continuing to linger through the rest of the work week. By Saturday, we get some of that cooler air building in and we hang out near 40 through Sunday. Chance of rain returning next Monday.